Welcome to Frano Academy. In today's lesson, I will show you a quick math trick on BODMAS. All right. So the first one is number one. We have 9 minus 4 bracket 9 minus 5 close bracket. So what will you do first? The first thing you will do is to open the bracket because the BODMAS says that you open the bracket first. All right. So we have 9 negative 4, then 9 minus 5, all right, is 4. So what do we do next? We have 9, 4 minus 5, negative 4 times 4 is negative 16. And 9 minus 16 will give you negative 7. And that is the answer. All right, so we move over to number 2. So we have 7 minus 5 times 3 minus 5. So in the rule of BODMAS, you are to do multiplication first before subtraction. So we have 7, negative 5 times 3 is negative 15 minus 5. And so negative 7 minus 15 will give you negative 8. All right, so we have negative 8 minus 5. So negative 8 minus 5. It means minus 8 minus 5. Take it this way, that you owe someone 8 pounds and you owe another person 8 pounds. If you add all that you owe together, that will be minus 13. So minus 8 minus 5 is minus 13. Now the next is number 3, and we have 8 minus 3 times 4 minus 2. So the first thing we do is to open the bracket. So we have 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay? So 8 minus 3 times 2 is 6. And so 8 minus 6 is 2. And that is the final answer. Now the last but not least is number 4. So we have 100 minus 20 times 2 plus 5. So the first thing you do is to multiply first. So we have 100 minus 20 times 2 is 40 plus 5. So 100 minus 40 is 60 plus 5. And 60 plus 5 will give you 65. Now solve this, and that is number 5. Drop your answer in the comment section. So we have 11 minus 3 into bracket 5 plus 4. All right? Give me your answer in the comment section. Drop your answer in the comment section. Please like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you so much.